1. 1933 Ford GT Coupe 2D. Price, $45,000, located Cleves, Ohio. This 1933 Ford GT Coupe is a beautifully preserved hot rod that combines traditional American craftsmanship with proven Chevrolet performance. Finished in an attractive blue exterior paired with a tan interior, the vehicle presents a timeless appearance that reflects the golden era of custom-built street rods. With only 999 miles reported, this classic coupe remains in outstanding condition and is ready for shows, cruises, and weekend driving adventures. Built on its original Ford frame, this custom roadster maintains much of its authentic character while benefiting from carefully selected performance upgrades. Power comes from a legendary 327 cubic inch Chevrolet Corvette engine, a respected power plant known for its reliability, smooth operation, and strong performance. The engine is paired with a desirable 4-speed manual transmission sourced from a 1962 Corvette, providing an engaging and authentic driving experience. The vehicle carries a clean title and is reported to have no significant mechanical or cosmetic issues. Combining vintage Ford styling, Corvette performance components, and classic hot rod appeal, this 1933 Ford GT Coupe represents an excellent opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts seeking a unique American street rod with lasting value and undeniable character. 2. 1937 Ford Custom Truck. Price, $29,500, located Cumming, Georgia. This 1937 Ford Custom Truck is a unique restomod build that successfully blends classic truck styling with modern performance and drivability. Finished as a one-of-a-kind custom project, the truck has been carefully constructed to deliver the appearance of a vintage Ford while benefiting from advanced mechanical components. With only 87 miles reported since completion, the build remains exceptionally fresh and ready for its next owner. Power comes from a modern Chevrolet LT1 V8 engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. This combination provides excellent performance, strong reliability, and an engaging driving experience that is rarely found in traditional hot rod trucks. The truck is built on a Camaro Z28 chassis, allowing it to benefit from modern suspension geometry, improved handling, and enhanced overall stability. The custom construction makes this vehicle stand apart from ordinary restorations. Every aspect of the build was designed to combine vintage styling with contemporary performance. Whether displayed at local car shows or driven on weekend cruises, this Ford offers a distinctive presence. Combining classic design, modern engineering, and low mileage since completion, this 1937 Ford Custom Truck is an impressive and highly desirable custom restomod. 3. 1926 Ford Tempo. Price, $17,000, located Elkmont, Alabama. This 1926 Ford Model T Custom is a bold hot rod build that combines classic styling with powerful Chevrolet performance. Finished in black and built primarily as a showpiece, the vehicle offers a distinctive appearance that captures attention wherever it goes. The seller describes it as a trailer queen that has been carefully preserved and protected from the elements by being stored with its trailer. Under the hood sits a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Power is transferred through a durable 12-bolt rear axle, creating a proven drivetrain combination that has long been favored by hot rod enthusiasts. The oversized rear tires contribute to the aggressive stance and unmistakable pro street appearance. The seller notes that the vehicle runs and drives, although the combination of power and tire setup makes it more suitable as a specialty cruiser and show vehicle. Included paperwork includes an Oklahoma title and bill of sale documentation. With its classic Model T styling, strong V8 power, and custom hot rod character, this 1926 Ford offers a unique opportunity for collectors seeking a conversation-starting custom build. 4. 1929 Ford Aspire. Price, $25,000, located Danville, Kentucky. This 1929 Ford Aspire hot rod is an all-steel custom build that combines traditional Ford styling with serious V8 performance. Finished in a striking red exterior with a white custom interior, the vehicle presents an eye-catching appearance that reflects the quality of its construction. Built to be both enjoyable and dependable, this hot rod offers a blend of classic character and modern performance upgrades. Power comes from a 408 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. This combination provides strong acceleration, excellent reliability, and the performance expected from a professionally built street rod. Front disc brakes improve stopping capability and add confidence during cruising and highway driving. According to the seller, the vehicle runs and drives exceptionally well and has accumulated approximately 20,000 miles. The all-steel body construction adds authenticity and value while maintaining the traditional appearance that enthusiasts appreciate. A custom interior further enhances the driving experience and showcases the attention to detail invested throughout the build. With a clean title and proven road manners, this 1929 Ford Aspire offers a highly desirable package for collectors and hot rod enthusiasts alike. 5. 1929 Ford F1. Price, $18,000, located Zanesville, Ohio. This 1929 Ford F1 pickup is a custom hot rod truck that combines classic Ford styling with powerful big block Chevrolet performance. Finished in black and built with a strong emphasis on street performance, the truck offers an aggressive appearance and a drivetrain package designed to deliver impressive power. It is an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking for a unique vintage pickup with serious hot rod credentials. At the heart of the build is a Chevrolet 454 cubic inch big block engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The engine features dual Edelbrock carburetors mounted on a tunnel ram intake, creating both impressive visual appeal and strong performance potential. Additional chassis upgrades include four-wheel disc brakes, a four-link rear suspension system, and coilover shocks. The truck has been built to provide a balance of performance and drivability while maintaining its classic hot rod identity. According to the seller, the vehicle carries a clean title and remains in good operating condition. Combining vintage pickup styling, big block power, and extensive suspension upgrades, this 1929 Ford F1 delivers the character and excitement that hot rod enthusiasts seek. 6. 1930 Ford F1. Price, $42,000, located Jackson, Wisconsin. This 1930 Ford Model A Roadster hot rod is a beautifully crafted traditional build that celebrates classic Ford performance and timeless styling. Finished in gray with a rich red interior, the vehicle presents an authentic period-correct appearance while benefiting from a complete mechanical restoration. With approximately 3,700 miles reported, it remains a well-maintained and highly desirable classic hot rod. Power comes from a fully rebuilt 1950 Mercury flathead V8 engine paired with a rebuilt manual transmission equipped with overdrive. This legendary Ford power plant is enhanced by an Offenhauser intake manifold and dual Stromberg-style carburetors, creating both impressive performance and authentic vintage character. A dropped model of front axle, 1939 Ford spindles, and matching Ford rear axle complete the traditional chassis setup. Additional highlights include a new aluminum radiator, Firestone tires, a 1939 Ford dashboard fitted with modern gauges, and a 1940 Ford steering column with column shift operation. The vehicle also features a newly installed convertible top and fresh interior. Combining craftsmanship, authenticity, and classic flathead performance, this 1930 Ford Roadster is an outstanding example of traditional American hot rodding. 7. 1932 Ford Sedan Delivery. Price, $35,000, located Hallsville, Missouri. This 1932 Ford Sedan Delivery is a highly customized street rod that combines classic body styling with substantial supercharged big block performance. Finished as an award-winning show vehicle, the car has earned recognition through multiple years of competition and remains a standout example of professional hot rod craftsmanship. Its unique appearance and impressive drivetrain make it equally suitable for shows and cruising events. Power comes from a Chevrolet 427 cubic inch big block engine topped with a 671 twin-screw supercharger. The combination provides tremendous power while creating the unmistakable visual presence expected from a serious street machine. Performance is transferred through a Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with 3.73 gears, delivering strength and reliability under demanding conditions. Inside, the vehicle features a custom tweed and leather interior designed to provide both comfort and style. According to the seller, the car has earned trophies and recognition through ISCA competition over multiple years, highlighting the quality of the build. Combining classic Ford styling, supercharged big block performance, and proven show credentials, this 1932 Ford Sedan Delivery represents an impressive custom hot rod package. 8. 1934 Ford Coupe. Price, $10,000, located Hamlet, Indiana. This 1934 Ford Coupe is an affordable hot rod that offers classic styling, strong performance, and tremendous value for enthusiasts seeking an entry into the world of vintage custom cars. Finished in bright yellow with a black interior, the vehicle has a bold appearance that reflects its hot rod personality. The coupe maintains the timeless lines that have made the 1934 Ford one of the most popular platforms in hot rodding history. According to the seller, the vehicle is a fast and enjoyable driver that has been kept clean throughout. The overall presentation reflects a car that has been maintained for enjoyment while preserving its classic street rod character. With approximately 40,000 miles reported, it has been driven and enjoyed without losing its appeal as a collector vehicle. The coupe carries a clean title and is reported to have no significant mechanical or structural problems. Its simple and straightforward design makes it appealing to both experienced enthusiasts and first-time hot rod owners. Combining iconic Ford styling, proven drivability, and an attractive price point, this 1934 Ford Coupe offers an excellent opportunity to own a classic American hot rod. 9. 1934 Chevrolet Hot Rod. Price, $29,000, located Edwardsburg, Michigan. This 1934 Chevrolet Hot Rod Coupe is a classic custom build that captures the spirit of traditional American hot rodding while maintaining the timeless styling of a pre-war Chevrolet. Finished in an attractive blue exterior, this coupe presents itself as a clean and well-preserved vehicle that is ready to be enjoyed at car shows, weekend cruises, and local automotive events. With approximately 10,000 miles reported, it has been driven enough to prove its reliability while remaining a desirable collector vehicle. The seller states that the car retains its original body and remains in very good overall condition. The classic coupe design showcases the elegant lines that made Chevrolet vehicles from this era so popular among hot rod builders. Its balanced proportions and vintage appearance give it a distinctive presence that stands out wherever it is displayed. This vehicle represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a traditional hot rod with authentic styling and proven road manners. Combining classic Chevrolet heritage, custom appeal, and solid condition, this 1934 Chevrolet Hot Rod is a unique vintage machine that offers both enjoyment and lasting collector interest. 10. 1934 Dodge Roadster. Price, $35,000, located Salem, Ohio. This 1934 Dodge Roadster Street Rod is a beautifully crafted all-steel classic that blends vintage styling with modern comfort and dependable performance. Finished in bright red with a tan leather interior and matching tan convertible top, this roadster offers an elegant appearance that immediately attracts attention. With only a few hundred miles reported, the vehicle remains exceptionally well maintained and ready for cruising or show participation. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The engine compartment is highly detailed and includes an Edelbrock carburetor, aluminum intake manifold, polished accessories, ceramic-coated headers, MSD ignition components, electric fuel pump, and electric cooling fan. Dual MagnaFlow stainless exhaust systems provide an aggressive sound while maintaining excellent drivability. Additional features include front disc brakes, polished aluminum wheels, Cyclone radial tires, Dolphin gauges, a tilt steering column, Pioneer stereo system, Dynamat insulation, and a fully finished trunk area. Combining outstanding craftsmanship, reliable performance, and classic styling, this 1934 Dodge Roadster delivers a premium street rod experience for collectors and enthusiasts alike. 11. 1930 Ford F1. Price, $14,000, located Leopold, Missouri. This 1930 Ford F1 hot rod is a distinctive custom-built street machine that combines classic Ford styling with proven performance upgrades. Finished in black and designed with traditional hot rod character, the truck delivers an eye-catching appearance and a driving experience that appeals to enthusiasts who appreciate vintage custom vehicles. The seller describes the truck as a well-built and dependable cruiser that is ready to enjoy immediately. One of the highlights of this build is its quick-change rear axle, a desirable feature among hot rod enthusiasts due to its unique appearance and versatility. The drivetrain has been assembled to provide strong performance while maintaining reliable operation. According to the seller, the truck runs great and has been built with attention to quality and drivability. The vehicle carries a clear title and is offered as either a cash sale or possible trade. Its classic body style, custom hot rod stance, and proven mechanical setup make it an attractive option for collectors seeking something different from the typical street rod. This 1930 Ford F1 offers character, individuality, and traditional hot rod appeal in one complete package. 12. 1923 Ford T-Bucket. Price, $24,000, located Cedar Hill, Tennessee. This 1923 Ford T-Bucket is a custom-built hot rod designed to deliver maximum attention and classic American performance. Featuring a widened and lengthened fiberglass body, the vehicle stands apart from ordinary T-Bucket builds through its aggressive proportions and show-quality presentation. Finished in black with a matching black interior, it offers a timeless appearance that perfectly complements its powerful drivetrain. Under the hood sits a Chevrolet 468 cubic inch big block engine that provides impressive horsepower and strong acceleration. Power is transferred through a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle, creating a drivetrain combination known for both reliability and performance. The car runs and drives exceptionally well, making it suitable for cruise nights, local events, and long-distance shows. The seller notes that the vehicle has earned numerous awards and recognition at automotive events, highlighting the quality of the build and its popularity among enthusiasts. Its unique styling, powerful big block engine, and proven show success make it a true conversation piece wherever it appears. This 1923 Ford T-Bucket represents an outstanding opportunity to own a custom hot rod with strong performance, distinctive character, and undeniable show presence.